Guys, today I'm going to be trying to recreate a Jeffree Star makeup tutorial. I've seen this trend going all over YouTube and I really want to try it out because, as you know, Jeffree Star always has these crazy bold makeup looks, and that's kind of the opposite of what I do. So I wanted to go ahead and try one of his looks. The one that I'm going for is going to be very bright hot pink and purple, and that is totally out of my comfort zone. But since it's almost spring, I'm just going to go ahead and give this a try. So the palette that I'm using is not the same as the one that Jeffree is using. I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Mi Vida Loca Remix because it does have all the colors that I need in it. But other than that, let's just go ahead and get started. In this video, Jeffree did start with all his face makeup and eyebrows on, so that is also what I am doing. And it looks like he's starting off with a white eyeshadow on a shader brush. It's gonna be hard to find these shader brushes. Okay, so I'm going in with a white eyeshadow. This is the closest to white that I have in this palette. And he is just taking that on his brow bone. And then he's bringing it down. This is going to be different because I think he's using a matte white and the white that I'm using is not matte. Oops. I'm going to go in with the white from the palette that I'm using the mirror with, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. Jeffree did say that he was not using primer, which I think is kind of a big mistake on my part, but we're just going to go for it. So Jeffree is using the electric palette from Urban Decay. I do not own that, which is why I'm using the Kat Von D one. So now he is going in with a lip liner, it looks like. I have my video muted so you guys can't hear it, so if I'm wrong, sorry. And he's taking the lip liner and drawing a line in his crease with it. And he really brought it in, so okay. This is going to be interesting because I know that he has a very different eye shape than I do. It's a little uneven. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Okay, so now Jeffree is going in with a pink eyeshadow to go over top. The hardest part about this right now is finding the right brush. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this pink shadow and this brush, and I'm going to go over top of the liner that I applied. I don't know if this is the right brush, but we're just going to go for it. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. I did not watch this tutorial before, I just jumped into it, which is probably not the best idea. So now Jeffree is going in with kind of a reddish eyeshadow on a large fluffy brush. Do I have one of those? Alright, so I'm going to go in with this shadow here next to the pink that I just used. And it looks like he's just kind of going over top of the pink a little bit. Okay, it looks like he's going back in with the white and just kind of cleaning up. His eyeshadows are definitely a lot more vibrant than mine are. Okay, so his lids look a lot better than mine, so I'm just going to go in with the white shadow and kind of put it on my inner corner and try to clean it up just a little bit because I don't want it to look terrible. Okay. And it looks like he's lining his eyes. Now for eyeliner, I did not grab my eyeliner. Yes, I did. For eyeliner, I'm using my e.l.f. liquid liner, and I'm just gonna just go ahead and skip through this part because watching eyeliner is kind of boring. Okay, so we went ahead and did the liquid liner. He he did a really exaggerated wing, so that's what I tried to do. And I'm actually kind of scared because the next step that he's taking is black liner on the waterline. And I never do that, so I have no idea how this is going to work out. Oh, look at the difference. This is insane. I never ever do this. I don't know how I feel about this right now. So now he's going in with a small, it looks like a pencil brush, and he's going in with like a bluish purple eyeshadow, which is perfect because there is one of those in this palette. So wait, I'm going to use this one right here. Tapping off the excess, and then I think he's going to smudge that liner with it. And his actually looks more purple. So I guess I'm smudging my liner with this purple eyeshadow, and now he's just dragging it like... I'm actually mixing a couple of different shadows because I don't have one exactly like his. One thing I noticed, like, Jeffree can do anything and it always looks good on him, but for me, I don't think that this looks great on me. Like, he's got it looking all like really nicely blended and gradient, and mine is just like there, and then he went in with a fluffy brush and purple eyeshadow. Okay, so he's going back in with a white, and he's going back into his lid and like cleaning this up. I guess that's a good idea in my case. So now he's moving on to mascara. Thankfully, I think I have all kinds of eyeshadow in my eyes. I'm not gonna do falsies. I don't know if he is or not yet, but I'm not, because I'm not gonna keep this makeup on. Not that there's like anything wrong with it, but I'm not going anywhere. So right now Jeffree is applying his highlight, and I already applied my blush and highlight and all that. I think I actually did a little bit too much highlight today. Actually, no. It's a Jeffree video, you can't have too much highlight. But I think my makeup does not look the greatest right now. So now Jeffree's going in with a liquid lip, and I am using the ColourPop Tool shade because that's the closest one that I have. Alright you guys, so that's it for my Jeffree Star makeup tutorial recreation. I don't think that I did the best job. I think that it literally looks like I slapped on 2 colors, but like I said, anything that Jeffree does always looks good on him. He can pull off any look, but I don't know about this one. Maybe it's just that I'm out of my comfort zone, or maybe it's that I don't know how to work with colors the way that Jeffree does, but this is what we came up with. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it entertaining. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video very soon. Bye guys.